welcome. Today we're making hot pot at home. I've been super excited to make hot pot since the time I've been to Haidilao and I got the at-home soup base. So if you can see, this is the mala soup base that we got, and watch us recreate the hot pot from Haidilao at home. Yay! Yay!
Let's quickly start off with what's on my table. So I'm gonna do a deep dive into all the ingredients. Starting off is the soup base from Haidilao. Then we have Chinese cabbage, which is a complete must because it's so crunchy. Then we have onions, mushroom, broccoli, some carrots. Snow peas are another favorite. Some white fungus mushroom, silken tofu, corn, another great addition. That is garlic. Some coriander, which is great for the dipping sauce. Another 2 types of tofu. These are fried tofu skin like. Those are green onions, some dipping sauces, bok choy, noodles, rice. And I'm so excited to get started.
This is the Szechuan mala flavor. This looks like it has a lot of oil and a lot of spice in it. All of it?
Some kind.
Oh. Yeah, for now I think 5 is good. All of it, all of it. So as per the package instructions, they want us to put around 1100 ml of water or milk or any liquid to dilute this broth. So I don't want to put all milk because I feel like it will become too heavy. It's spicy.
Great.
We're just going to wait for this to come to a boil before we start dipping all our veggies and whatever we want to cook in it. And we have another set of sauces on the side for dipping sauces, some rice, some noodles, lots of veggies and tofu. The 2 Haidilao sauces, green onion, garlic, this, chili oil, sesame oil, togarashi. You want some soya oil also?
Spicy, bro. Yum.
While the broth comes to a boil, let's make our dipping sauce. I'm going to start with taking a whole bunch of garlic because garlic adds a lot of flavor. Then some spring onion. We can also put some of these things in the broth straight, but I think having your own dipping sauce also helps because you can customize your flavors and you can like keep recreating the dipping sauce once it gets over. I'm putting some coriander. Coriander also adds a lot of flavor. So these are some sauces that I picked up from the Haidilao brand. I ordered them online in Thailand. They're different mixes of the sesame peanut paste itself with probably chili oil. So one has peanut, sesame and chilies. One has just peanuts. So I think this is the original one, and this has I think chili oil and some more chili crisps in it. So yeah, like this definitely is the peanut sesame sauce with some chili and some oil, and we're going in with some chili sesame oil, which is also a flavor bomb. Let's do it! Okay, we're gonna start with some bok choy. Yay! Sweet. I put 3 of them. Chopsticks actually have silicone here.
Why you want me to put chopsticks?
Because I thought you don't need chopsticks. So you have a fork.
Bro, see.
See, I'll tell you what, you can start eating the corn. You can start eating this tofu. I put some garlic in it also.
But I think I'm already eating a lot of things.
नहीं? अच्छा लगेगा ना garlic. Sumito in Haidilao, he makes his dipping sauce in the bowl and he'll come and empty it in his broth. We normally take 2 broths, no? So his because this is usually the bland one anyway.
You know what I saw people doing? Getting like 3 of them, and in the last one they put only water, and then they get everything from the dipping station and then mix it all in the water and make them.
Wow. Kacha mango. I feel like I'm so nice. I feel like I'm outside.
You're in your living room.
I'm gonna start with a piece of corn because even I'm starved. So you know, in the Haidilao menu, when you're ordering a broth, they have an option in the mala saying with and without sediment. That means all these pieces of chili and peppercorn and all without also you can do.
Just let the broth fall.
Anything. What am I looking for? I'm looking for the tofu. It hits. It hits.
Give me that much. Yeah. Wow.
And it's spicy.
It's great. I love it.
I love snow peas. I'm dying.
It's good spicy.
This is the closest to like authentic hot pot at home.
Yeah. Bro, it is quite authentic. You have some balls very white. Yeah, actually.
I didn't think of it.
Okay.
I'm dying.
Spice, no? How do you eat it normally?
I don't know, we remove some more oil.
I don't know if I want to eat more noodles or more rice. Both are great.
The rice is so yum.
The rice is really good.
Especially once it soaks up all the soup. Oh my gosh. We have to have one. Good for me. I'm full, but I want to eat.
Oh, there was. There is.